I went from happy to angry. Skip said, now I feel like kicking his ass.
Hey guys, just kicking back here on this lovely Thursday. Yeah, it's real lovely. Can't seem to break out of this fog and muck. Let me show you real quick, and then I'm going to talk about something real serious for a moment that happened last night, and I won't tolerate it. We'll talk about it here. Let's take a little walk here. This has been our weather for 5 straight days now. At least 5 evenings. Won't get above 25 degrees out. Just icy, 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 icy. Foggy, icy. And then once the sun goes down, this fog just comes in and comes all the way. It comes all the way in. Just, ugh. Anyway, this ain't a weather channel, but look at that. It's pretty, but not fun to work in. It's just cold. So, you know, you see all my lights and cords. Once it warms up, I'm gonna bundle those up better. I got lights all over the windows. Every single pole is wrapped. So that's how I do it. Trying to live a nice, simple life, you know, like everybody else wants to. Anyway, let's flip this back around. You saw my George Costanza wallet there. I got too many receipts in it right now. So last night, you know, I did my Wednesday live stream, and you know, I was going to have a bunch of content today on the job. I'll show you guys what the footage I did take from work today, but that's not really what this video is going to be about. It's going to be about what happened last night on the live stream. I won't tolerate somebody coming on saying racist stuff, even if it's towards a white person. It's completely and utterly ridiculous, and I'm not going to mention who did it, but he does have a prominent HVAC channel on YouTube, and he should know better, okay? He should know way better than to say what he said. I'll tell you what he said. So I've made it very clear from the beginning from this channel, which is not monetized, by the way. I don't have monetization yet. That once I do monetize, if I do, it's not that important. If I do, any money that I make from YouTube is going to go to helping out people with their HVAC issues locally, you know, or if I can help with these giveaways, you know, tools and whatnot that I'm trying to do right now, you know, if I get any monetization, any money, it's going to go towards that stuff. And that's the damn truth. And anybody that tries to say otherwise doesn't know me and doesn't know, you know, how much I give back if I can. I do free jobs for people all the time. I do subsidized jobs where they, you know, I'll take care of the labor, things of that nature. So anyway, all that being said, he said, white boy doing giveaways to try to gain subscribers. He said something of that nature. He started off saying something very condescending to me. And it started with another person that was on the stream. I've since banned them because I'm not going to deal with people like that, okay? If you're going to come on to my live stream or any of my videos, I take time out of my day to do this. I don't have to do it. And I work really hard at it because I'm putting out daily videos. It takes a lot of work. If you've never done it, it's really hard, okay? And for somebody to come on condescending with a antagonistic attitude from the beginning, and then to say something about a white boy, it's funny, a white boy doing a giveaway to try to buy subscribers, which is a complete joke. I'm not buying subscribers. I'm trying to give something away. And yes, you're going to have to subscribe if I'm going to give you something. I want you to have some skin in the game, because I'm not just going to give to some stranger. You know, I consider anybody that's a subscriber a friend, and you should be, right? So none of this racist crap is going to happen on my channel. And if I hear one comment, anything that's derogatory, you're gone. And that's simple as that. I'm not going to fight with anybody. I got other people I'll ban if they want to start some crap. That's not what this is about, and it never has been. So I wanted to make that very clear. So all that being said, Here, I got some footage from today, my drive along, and then a little bit on the job. Hopefully you guys find it interesting. And this is all about having fun. So let's put smiles on our face and let's move on. So thanks for watching, guys. Good morning, guys. Seton HVAC here. It is Thursday, November 5th, 2024. As you can see, it's even, if I get my phone to sit straight, it's even foggier and icier than it's been the last 4 days. It's day number 5 of this nonsense. Just stuck in the fog and cold. Hasn't got above 25 in 5 days. Heading out to do this quick range fix. I probably won't get you any shots out here, just like yesterday. Then I'm gonna head back out to the remodel job and check on the humidity levels in the house, see if that setup's working better for them, which it should be. I might have set up the thermostat wrong though. I want the thermostat to control the humidity, and I think I left it on humidifier controls it. So I think maybe they were having issues last night. That's why I like to keep things simple. I don't have to be doing all this stuff with these systems, but got to have humidifiers around here, and you got to have them working. So anyway, I'll probably check in with you once I leave here, let you know how it went, and then I'm going to head out to the remodel job. Okay, fans on. U1 means the humidifier's on. We have only fan, only zone 1 and zone 2 open. Sorry, only fan with zone 1 and zone 2 both open. And we got water running out of the humidifier, so we're humidifying with only the fan, which is what we want. Hey guys, Seton HVAC here. A little tour of the old Christmas lights. Let's move around here. One of my, oh no, they're both working. I thought one of my little stream things there wasn't working, but you can see I got the wraparound porch thing going on. Yeah, the video doesn't really do it justice because I have the stream things going across there, so it's all colored down there too. Could do them better. Got my Seahawks flag, got my American flag there. I got my Oregon Ducks flag there. Beautiful, huh? Yeah. Daughter's playset over there. It's dark though. I'm the only house in the neighborhood that's got the house all lit up. Pretty sad. Look, everybody else, well, they got that little thing, and she's got the little tree over there. I'm the one in the neighborhood. Always have been.